What if I told you that DJI is about to drop not one, but two major game changers that might just flip the drone and action camera markets on their heads? Yep, get ready, because we've got a storm of leaks, teasers, and insider info on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the mysterious new Osmo Nano. And trust me, if you're into aerial shots or wearable cams that scream next-level content creation, you'll want to stay locked in for the next 5 minutes. This isn't your average rumor roundup. This is your early access pass to DJI's most anticipated tech of 2025. Let's start with the big boy. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, a short but cryptic teaser from Mauro Tondoy, just sent ripples through the drone community. Captioned Mini 5 Pro, work in progress. The teaser shows a mountain biker beside what looks like DJI's sleekest ultralight drone yet. No oversized guards, just folding props, vented motors for better cooling, and a design that looks like it's straight from the future. That minimalist high-performance look we've all been begging DJI for. Yeah, it's here now. Here's where it gets juicy. Leaked FCC certification just confirmed a massive battery upgrade. We're talking 4,680 mAh with a rated 33.5 Wh capacity. Translation? DJI is promising up to 55 minutes of flight time. That's not a type of 55 minutes, which is a solid 20-minute boost over the Mini 4. Bro, imagine flying from one side of your city's skyline to the other and still having battery left to grab a cinematic orbit of your favorite monument. Oh, and fast charging might be on the table too. We'd love to see it. But the magic doesn't stop there. According to trusted leaker Jasper Ellens, the official launch date is now set for August 7th, 2025, almost a whole month earlier than expected. DJI clearly isn't playing around this year. We're also hearing whispers of a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the kind you'd normally see in much bulkier drones. That means sharper images, superior low-light performance, and incredible dynamic range, all in a sub-250 grams drone. Your night shots just got a major upgrade. Camera nerds, this next one's for you. The gimbal system might support 360 rotation. Just like the Mavic 4 or Osmo Pocket, it's unlocking new angles and motion styles that would have been impossible on previous Mini models. The gimbal is exposed and more mobile, likely ditching the side flaps to allow for complete range of motion. Want buttery smooth tracking shots on a tight mountain trail or while surfing a coastal breeze? The Mini 5 Pro could be your new best friend. Obstacle avoidance is getting an overhaul too. The drone is expected to rock DJI's new 3D infrared sensing system, similar to what we saw in the Air 3 and Mavic 4 with LR. Sensors capable of detecting obstacles up to 25 meters away, even in low light. Throw in quick-release props, improved internal memory 32 gigabytes, and compatibility with RC2, motion controller, and DJI Goggles 3. And you've got a drone that's basically begging to be flown ... hard. But DJI isn't stopping with the skies there. Coming for your chest ... literally. Say hello to the DJI Osmo Nano, compact wearable action cam with a modular magnetic design. Clearly evolved from the Action 2, it's DJI's answer to the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and the Insta360 Go 3S, but with some much-needed refinements. The Nano attaches to a neck lanyard magnetically, making it ideal for hands-free POV shots while biking, skiing, or chasing your dog around the beach. Leaked FCC documents suggest two modules, one fit a camera and another for display and battery, making it interchangeable and ultra-portable. And get this, it might pack a 1-inch sensor that can shoot 4K at 120 fps. That's slow-mo gold, people. And for those wild rides, DJI is tossing in Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady Stabilization. Think super stable footage while you're tumbling down a mountain or dodging trees on your trail ride. There's even talk of voice commands, modular battery extensions, and smart accessories. DJI is clearly trying to learn from the Action 2's pitfalls, especially its questionable durability. The Nano will need to be tough enough to survive extreme conditions. And if DJI nails that, this little cam could become a favorite for content creators on the move. So, let's recap. The DJI Mini 5 Pro might be the most powerful ultralight drone yet. Launching August 7th, priced around $850. $1,200, packed with game-changing tech like a 1-inch sensor, 55-minute battery, and advanced obstacle avoidance. Meanwhile, the Osmo Nano is coming July 23rd, priced between $300 and $400. It could completely redefine what we expect from wearable cameras. What do you think? Would you take the Mini 5 Pro on a hiking trip, or rock the Osmo Nano for your next travel vlog? Let me know in the comments side. Love to hear how you'd use these beasts. And hey, if this video helped you out or got you hyped, smash that like button, subscribe. And don't forget to check out my breakdown of the Air 3S versus Mini 4 Pro right here on the end screen. More leaks, reviews, and real-world tests are on the way. You won't want to miss it.